So on Moodle, you will see the sign up. Actually, I should, okay, after this, I will show you what to do, okay? Now the lecture, we have 4 hours lecture, 1 hour tutorial, 3 hours lab. Now the tutorial and the labs will run virtually. That means you will need to be present in your tutorial. 60% attendance will be compulsory for tutorial. Need to be present in your virtual lab, and the attendance 75% is compulsory for the labs, okay? So lecture time, I hope you do not have any clash. If you have clash, please respond to me now. I give you 2 minutes, maybe you can check your other timetable. What you are doing, ME 112, MM, and CS, I think. So if you have any clash, do let me know now. You can unmute the mic and speak to me. No clash, okay. But maybe some students who are waiting. Check your timetable. We have a lot of time. Okay, no clash. Okay. Yes. Now the lab. There are afternoon sessions in the lab 5 to 8. So this used to be the face-to-face lab time, the same lab time we got for our online session. I know after 5 is sorry, after 6 is curfew, but well, you are working from home, so I hope you do not have any issues with that. If you do have any issues, you can let me know, and we will try to do something for that one. Maybe we can move this left to Saturday. Okay. Now the course description. These are the contents of the course. Maybe you can read it at your own time. We will start with electric field, Gauss's law, electric potential, capacitance, and dielectrics from tomorrow. Oh, sorry, Wednesday. And then we go on to know about second elements, method of analysis, theorems. Can be to you, first and second order cycle, but these are very important for all the 3 programs, EE, MM, and CL, okay? In CL, you'll be using this knowledge. In mechanical, you'll be using this knowledge, and in electrical, of course, you'll be using this knowledge. Now, these are learning outcomes, very basic course, first year course. So we'll in there at the end of the course, we should be able to describe fundamentals of electrical and electronics technology, analysis problem, and you should be able to use a new software. It's called Circuit Maker, and uh, and you should be able to use this software to solve circuit analysis. Okay. Now this software will be given to you. I will shortly send you a link where you can use that to download this particular software. Okay. So all of you should be able to use it in your laptops. I hope all of you have your laptops with you, because when you're doing your labs, you will need to use this software, and you should be able to download this software onto your laptop. Okay. Now textbook. This is the textbook needed, but no need to buy, I think, because I will be supplying you with the notes, and this is very detailed notes, so I don't think there should be an issue. But if you really need more help, then you can buy this book. Should be available in the book center, and you can. I don't know if you are allowed going to the campus, but I mean, we'll see if you have you use the soft copy from somewhere and you use this book. Okay? Now, due to COVID, I have changed the assessment criteria. Sorry, portfolio. Before we used to have two short tests, 15% total. Now, due to online mode, we have moved to 30%. That means 15% one short test. The labs would be 20%. This will be online labs due to COVID. So you will need to, okay, you will be working in groups of 2 or 3. So virtually you'll be meeting a group. Maybe you can create a Viber group or WhatsApp group or Facebook group, whatever you have. You're working among the groups to submit one report. However, this thing will be done online. So you should be able to pick a group with you can work with. Okay. Now the assignment is 10%. The quizzes, the classroom quizzes is 10%. This is mostly the online quizzes which I will run throughout the course, and this is 10%. Total is 7%. I've given 30% for final exam only, since I want to have more load on the week. I mean the short test and the assignment, because we'll be having online final exam, so I gave you less load in the final exam, so you can start to. I mean, you can do each task at a time and should be able to get good grades as well. Okay, final exam will be 2 hours, and as usual 40% is required for an overall passing course. You know this, A plus is 85 above, E 75 above, and all this. So short test 1 will be in week 6, short test 2 will be in week 12. Sorry, this is 15%. I will need to change this. Okay. Tutorials, labs, basically these are the same as the other courses. Student responsibilities. Classroom rules: arrive on time means arrive on Zoom on time. And please keep your microphones off, mobile phones in silent, and please avoid any disruptive behavior and all this in the chat forum, mostly in the chat forum. Okay. If you need any support from the student learning support, I will let you know later how to do about that. At risk student, you'll be notified. All the students who have passed from C grade, all the students who have passed with C grade, you are at risk already. Okay. But I will email you individually on who are the at-risk students. All right. So these are the course outline. Anyone have any issue with this? I will answer your questions. You can turn on the mic and ask, and I will try to answer. Maybe 2 minutes, then I'll go to the Moodle page, and then we can finish the class, as many students are not able to log in. So yes, okay. Joyce has said applying for lab cross credit, should we select lab session? No. If applying for cross credit and if you have above 2 out of 20, and you have attended more than 75% of your lab, and you have done previously the lab 2016 and earlier, sorry, later, then you can, I don't think you need to do the sign up. Sorry, my mic is not off. Your speaker is off. Not Gopal. Off is not a word. Now, let me share the Moodle page.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you can ask.
In a group.
Yes.
Maximum.
Sorry?
How many members do we need? Like maximum number in a group?
For the lab, you mean?
Yes, sir. Like the in groups, assignments. How many members do we need?
2 or 3.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. No, there is no EE 102 forum. We have more than 300 students. It'd be a chaos. Okay. Now, this is the Moodle page. I'm sorry about this. I thought BB is working. I was informed in the morning that BB is working. It is not working. Okay, so let the ITS solve this. Now, when you go down to course administration, you'll see your course outline, and past year short test, I don't think you need it now. But when you go on to the tutorial sign up here, you will try to sign up for the particular session which you want to. Okay, Moodle is very slow today. Okay, so then each tutorial, the link tutorial which you have signed up for. Okay, tutorial will be interactive. That means similar to the Blackboard. Oh, sorry, the Blackboard which we have in the face-to-face. Your tutors will be writing on those and trying to explain each of the questions. Okay. answers, and you will be needed, your attendance will be taken, and your attendance is for the throughout of the tutorial, not for 1 minute you come in, you give attendance and you go. Okay, we'll be taking time of your attendance. And lab, I have a sample lab report and how to write a lab on a Moodle, but I will explain this to you later when the other students are present. So this will be explained later, but if you want, you can look at sample lab. I know you have done lab in physics, but we have a standard which I want you to follow. Kind of standard, okay? You will be typing the lab, so you need to know how to use the equations and all. For now, I want you to start to learn to reference, or you should be able to cite, you should be able to write your own introduction, you should be able to write your own aim and all of these things, okay? So you can read this lab, sample lab and see how it is done. When you go on to the topics, sorry, the first topic is basic concept electric field. In this topic, you will see your required readings, your lecture notes. I will go through each of the lecture notes in our lectures. Then you have related resources. Here you will have the video. The hard topics, what I'll do is I have it in video and I have uploaded here. So you can see, if you need extra help, you can see it here. Okay, say for example, electric field. Topic. So you the quiz running every week. This quiz is assessed. Remember I said 10%. So this quiz is assessed. So at the end of the topic, it's due on every Sunday end of the topic. So Sunday 11:59 p.m. So you can go and do this quiz, and then this is added to your coursework. Okay, it's an online quiz, multiple choice. Now after that, you have your discussion questions. Every week I'll be posting a discussion question, and I want everyone to post what you think of the question. This question is real life scenario question. So I want you to do a small research on Google and or in from textbook and answer that in one paragraph only. Okay, this helps you to understand better the particular concept, and this helps you to relate what you have learned in class into the real world. Okay. Then we have the tutorials running. You won't be able to see the solution now. So tutorials for each week will be running, and then you should be able to also this tutorials running, and then after you have completed your tutorial, then you should see the solution. Who was that? Kitesh. And then we have the general discussion forum. General discussion forum. You can post anything you want to discuss for the particular week in the general discussion forum. Okay, anything related to the course, not to your personal life. So say for example, you are not happy with a particular, you do not know a particular concept, you write it here. I don't understand why E is equals to KQ over R. Your peers will try to help you here. Okay, and I will monitor this. So do not write what was the score between Manchester City and Manchester United. I will try to see those, and those forums will be deleted. I know Manchester City will win Manchester United, but well. So, okay, so these are all of the things. I will start on Wednesday. Do you have any question? Yes, you can sign up for this. Let me see when you can sign up. I think from 2 p.m. From 2 p.m. after the lecture, we'll. Oh, you can from p.m. Okay. So you can do the sign up from 1 p.m. Okay, Nico is very fast. He already did it. Now, so I think I'll finish the class here. Not all the students are here, so just wanted you not to be lost. So that's why I had this Google Meet link, so that you at least we meet and I tell you what to do. while the others, I hope to meet them later. If your friend has not come to this session, please inform them what we have discussed. And note, if I do not get a Zoom link, then that means that I will upload a recorded link. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. See you on Wednesday, hopefully.
Thank you, sir. See you on Wednesday.